Hello, today's topic is the project phasing as one of the project first settings. Basically, project phasing can be used in projects such as renovations or in the project time management. And there are two types of phasing. One type of phasing is designated to views. The other phasing is designated to the elements of our model. The phasing designated to views. Project browser. I have duplicated level 1, rename it Demolition, and then go Properties, Phasing, Phase Filter, Show All, Phase. I have chosen that floor plan view level 1 demolition to be that phasing, for example, new construction present. To illustrate that, I would open a new project. I will duplicate level 1 and duplicate. Please note that all views by default are set to the new construction phase. The other phasing designated to the elements. The same as views, all created elements are set by default in the new construction phase. I am going to create a wall. From Properties, the phase is New Construction. For example, the hexagonal and circular walls are created in Phase Created New Construction. Moving to the procedure of phasing. Step 1. It is recommended to duplicate the plan view before assigning different phases. I have created two duplicated floor plan views called Level 1 Past and Level 1 Past Future. Step 2. To add more phases or to change the names of the current phases. Hit Manage tab, Phasing, Phases. By default, Revit offers the past phase, which is called existing, and we can rename it, and the present phase, which is called new construction, and we can rename it as well. We can add the third phase, which is the future phase, and call it, for example, demolition. To insert or add the fourth phase, I highlight, for example, my created third phase and go after. So the created phase will be after the demolition. I highlight demolition future and using before instead of after. Phase 2, the fifth phase, will be created before demolition future. Step 3. Select the whole created elements which have been created in the new construction phase and set them to the existing phase or the past phase. Notice that these walls became grayed out. For example, if I change the phase to be new construction as before, notice the difference between the wall in the new construction and the wall in the existing phase. The wall appearance in the construction phase is in bold lines, whereas in existing phase, the wall appearance got grayed out. Step 4. To demolish the specific elements. For example, if I am planning to demolish that circular wall, I select it and then from Properties, Phasing. Phase created is the existing past phase, but the phase demolished should be set to new construction present. Please note the following investigation of the phasing designated to the view, not to the element. Project browser. I am at floor plan level 1 past view, and this is the phasing designated to that level 1 past. The phase is new construction. Notice what would happen if it is existing past, and apply. The element that I was planning to demolish became in bold lines, as well as the hexagonal walls. If I set the phase of that view to be new construction and apply, the demolished element is in dotted line and the hexagonal walls are in grayed out lines. If I set the phase to demolition future, which is in future, and apply, the element that I was going to demolish got disappeared. Finally, step 5. In case we add an annex of an external circular wall in the demolition phase, which is basically the future phase. So, this is my current floor plan view, level 1, past and future. The phasing of that view, we are in phase demolition future. I'm going to hit architectural tab, and for example, to create that circular wall architecture. The external circular wall got created in the demolition future phase, and because it was created in that phase, it is in bold line. Let us now review the 3 scenarios of phasing: existing past, and new construction present, and the demolition future. By this we come to the end of our topic today. Please like this video if you find it helpful.